Today we are going to use Amazon's Movers and Shakers page to spot products that are climbing fast. Do not hunt through menus because the link changes by region and device. Type the address directly into your browser. Enter amazon.com/movers-and-shakers. Then replace .com with your local marketplace if you are in the United Kingdom, India, Canada, or elsewhere. That direct path opens the live lists. Movers and Shakers highlights the biggest rank gains over a short window. Think of it as a velocity board. Items here may not be long-term bestsellers yet, but they are moving. Your job is to filter durable demand from short-term noise. Ask why a product is rising. Is it seasonal timing, a price drop, a coupon, a social trend, a press mention, or a real feature improvement? When you arrive, choose how you want to explore. The first option is to browse the Movers and Shakers homepage for a broad snapshot of what is trending across many categories. The second option is targeted. Use the list on the left to switch into a single category. For example, click electronics from the list on the left to see only the items surging in that space. Start broad if you want ideas, go narrow if you already know your lane. Use Movers and Shakers to find ideas where you can add stability to a volatile surge. If a product is rising because it solved a nuisance, simply look at sturdier materials, better hardware, or a pack size that matches real use. If a bundle is driving the lift, consider a more complete kit that addresses the next problem customers mention. Always think through logistics and returns. Bulky items can crush margins. Fragile items need better packaging and clear care instructions. Build differentiation with proof shots and short demonstrations that reduce confusion. Now let's make this concrete with two product examples you can study. In sports and outdoors, the small exercise ball is a 9-inch mini Pilates ball that is anti-burst and slip resistant for stability work, physical therapy, stretching and core training at home, the gym, or the office. Surges here are often tied to seasonal fitness resets, rehab trends, or social content that features simple routines. The listing signals what buyers value: a compact size, safe inflation, non-slip texture, and clear use cases. Common pain points on similar balls include flimsy straw inflation, slow air leaks at the plug, unclear instructions, and a rubber smell out of the box. A practical improvement plan would include a sturdier hand pump or a dual-action mini pump, spare plugs, a simple inflation and sizing guide to reliably reach 9 inches, lower odor materials, and a quick start card with 5 therapy moves and 5 Pilates drills. A bundle angle could pair the ball with a light resistance loop or a microfiber towel. Logistics are favorable because the item is small and light, but you still need strong quality control on valves and seams. In handmade products, the Palestine Infinity String Bracelet is a Tibetan-style cord bracelet in flag colors positioned as a surfer wrap for men and women, described as lucky and protective. Spikes here can be event-driven or cultural, which means they rise quickly and can cool quickly. Buyers respond to clear symbolism, authentic handcrafting, adjustable sizing, comfortable daily wear, and gift-ready presentation. Typical friction points include knot slippage, fraying ends, dye transfer, inconsistent sizing, and photos that do not show scale. An artisan-friendly improvement plan would use waxed or tightly braided cords that resist fray, sealed ends, hypoallergenic accents, true adjustable knots for a wide wrist range, and a small keepsake pouch with a care card. Variations could include multiple wrist sizes or a family 3-pack, plus an optional personalization note. Logistics are simple due to size and weight, but capacity, lead times, and marketplace policy compliance matter in handmade. Here is how you will use this in practice. Scan the top rows to spot themes, then scroll deeper for risers with modest reviews and clear room to improve. Open promising listings in new tabs and check whether a coupon or temporary discount explains the spike. Capture only what matters: the core benefits from bullets, the freshest friction points from reviews, and any sizing, care, or setup confusion from questions. Audit photos and copy for gaps, since fast risers often have imperfect assets. From this pass, shortlist 3 to 5 risers that are not promotion driven. For each, note the likely reason for the surge, the top 2 complaints, 1 improvement you can deliver, and 1 bundle idea. If the product remains attractive at a normal price and the logistics make sense, keep it on your list for the next lesson, where we will validate with a quick competition check and simple margin math. In the next lesson, we will build on this foundation and take your product research skills even further. That wraps up this lesson. See you in the next one.